Looks like you strayed off the reservation, Norma.
In the 1979 movie Norma Ray, actress Sally Field's character is the spark that leads to unionizing a textile mill.
It's gonna take you and the police department and the National Guard to get me out of here.
35 years later, Pam Harris, a real-life homemaker and caregiver to her developmentally disabled adult son Josh, stands as the forced antithesis to Norma Ray.
I don't want my home to be a union workplace.
Harris also detested the idea that public service unions like SEIU and AFSCME would siphon money from kids and adults just like Josh. In Harris's home state of Illinois, Medicaid pays caregivers out of a capped program. Technically, Josh is Pam's boss, and union dues would come from the Medicaid money Josh receives. The Washington Examiner's Sean Higgins says unions stood to gain millions of dollars by bringing folks like Pam Harris into the fold. Higgins has reported extensively on the Harris case.
These coercive contracts are a major source of revenue and members for unions, and if they don't have it, they'll probably lose a lot of people.
Harris had no intention of battling unions or Illinois Governor Pat Quinn. But that was before Quinn signed an executive order permitting unions to recruit stay-at-home caregivers.
I'm not anti-union. I'm not against anybody's right to organize. Heck, I organized groups of people in this effort. I'm not opposed to that at all.
Harris has drummed up enough support from fellow caregivers to defeat the union's attempt to organize them. But she could not get the governor to back off his executive order. What's more, unions are free to keep trying to unionize in-home caregivers. Now, Harris's case is before the United States Supreme Court, and some legal experts say if she's successful, organized labor could suffer a major blow.
This will stop the unions, I believe, from expanding into areas which, is the core of the Pamela Harris case, is, are you an employee?
The Supreme Court is expected to issue a ruling by early summer. I'm Christine Frizzell reporting.